Here's my favorite thing about being a criminal defense attorney. I started my career off as a prosecutor, and at the time I thought I would be a career prosecutor. I thought the state always wore the white hat, and I saw the good work that committed prosecutors can do. As the years went on and as I became a more experienced prosecutor, I came to understand that unfortunately there are bad apples in every field. And as much as we want law enforcement to always live up to the standard that we expect, sometimes they don't. I also realized that it takes good people on both sides for the system to work. If you have strong prosecutors and weak defense attorneys, the state's always going to win. You have to have strong defense attorneys to hold the state to their burden, to make sure the work that law enforcement is doing is up to snuff. When I first became a defense attorney, the best piece of advice I got was to treat everyone like family, to understand that folks had come to you with the biggest problem in their life. I try to keep that idea of treating people like family at the front of my mind each day as I come to work. And so what that's meant over the years is that I get to represent good folks that perhaps have made a mistake or had a bad day, and folks who are wrongly accused. And I get to know them. I get to know who they are. Oftentimes I get to know about their families, what led them to being arrested, and make very profound impacts on their life. The most satisfying part of the job is that personal relationship that we get to build and the change that we can affect on a person's life. If you're wrongly accused, in that moment, the entire world feels like it's crashing down on you. To go from there to regaining your life is a powerful thing, to getting your life back on track. Not everyone we represent is innocent though. It is a great privilege to be able to work with people who have made mistakes, who are committed to changing their lives, particularly if they've never been in trouble before. I know what a criminal conviction would do to their lives. Everyone knows what time in custody would do to their lives. To go from facing those types of dire consequences to getting someone's life back on track. You know, if I'm working with someone who's young, who's never been in trouble, or someone who at 40 commits their first DWI and now their career is jeopardized, or working with someone who is a grandparent and they don't want their legacy to be a criminal record. Whatever stage of life they're coming to me at, I can make such an impact on what the rest of their life looks like, what their future career looks like, certainly what their legacy looks like. And there's nothing more satisfying than be able to take people from what could be one of their darkest moments to a place of hope and a place where they know there is absolutely a future, and perhaps even a better future than they had before they were arrested. We're making these videos in response to questions that we've received here on our YouTube channel or through our website. So drop a question below if you have any question regarding criminal law in Texas or federal criminal law, and check out our website, vergestexas.com.